Alright, today I'm doing a dead Viking Doodle. Welcome to the Charlie Doodle experiment. So this one I just banged out really fast. I used the Sharpie tool and just kind of did a really quick sketch. I mean, skulls and skeletons are kind of really easy for me to do. I've just been drawing since I was a little kid. So for this one, it was basically just threw on the rough with the Sharpie and then went over it with the tapered pen and just did a cleaner version of it. I did notice that I tend to draw characters with long necks. So yeah, I'm guessing because this one was a skeleton, I needed to see all those neck joints. And this one I also threw on a funny sheepskin vest, I guess. I don't know, wool, I don't know. And as well as I guess a Viking t-shirt. I guess that's what they wore. I don't know, but this one was really quick. It's not one of my favorites, but the way I kind of look at it is I got to doodle, I got to be creative. I don't know what inspired me, maybe just seeing a Viking tattoo or something, I don't know, but had fun with it. And you know, you just got to keep doing these things. You got to keep drawing, keep doodling, because that's how you get better. So there you go. If anyone asks if I've ever done this, I have. I've done a dead Viking doodle. So there you go. Comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you around. Thanks.